Good morning, everyone. I am teacher Cheska. So today I'm going to share you some knowledge about the different literacies in 21st century. So are you ready? Uh, okay, let's start with digital literacy. So what is digital literacy? Okay, so digital literacy is the ability to use technology to find, evaluate, create, and communicate information. See, it also includes the skills and knowledge to use technology responsibly and safely. So why is it important to use technology safely? Yes, because it can lead us to use social media platforms or any other platforms in the internet correctly, and also to avoid being taken advantage online. Okay, so the first example of digital literacy skills is consuming, searching for information, validating sources, and using the internet for shopping and streaming. Okay, so the next literacy that we're going to discuss is the financial literacy. So what is financial literacy? So it is the ability to understand and effectively use various financial skills such as personal financial management, budgeting, and investing. Okay, next literacy that we're going to discuss is global literacy. What is global literacy? Okay, so it is the ability to understand, communicate, and engage with the world in a way that is responsive and fluent across cultures. So it involves a variety of skills, including first, in understanding other cultures, working with others, using technology, learning about the world, understanding global issues, and being aware of social justice. Okay, I will. Okay, next literacy is multicultural literacy. So, what is this kind of literacy? So, it is the ability to understand knowledge from different cultures and perspective, and to use that knowledge to create a more just and compassionate world. Okay, next literacy would be the information literacy. So what is information literacy? So it is understanding of how information is created, assessed, shared, and valued, and the abilities and mindset necessary to be able to locate, evaluate, use, and create information sources ethnically and effectively. Okay, the last literacy that we're going to discuss is the environmental literacy. So, what is environmental literacy? So, it is the ability to understand and apply knowledge to solve environmental problems and make responsible decisions. So, it also involves understanding on how human action affect the environment and how to develop solutions to environmental issues.
Illegal na pinutol na kahoy ang nasabat ng mga otoridad sa lalawigan ng
Mo'y may bumabagsak na lava mula sa Mount Banahaw pasado alas 6 kagabi. Yun pala'y nilalamon na ng apoy ang paligid ng crater na
Kahapon, tanaw pa rin ang makapal na usok mula sa sulfur vents malapit sa tuktok ng Mount Apo.
Nalaman ang pagbaha sa pagkakaingin sa kabundukan kaya
Okay, so because we are done discussing about the common problems here in the Philippines, I will give you some tips or some actions that people can take the environmentally literate. So, first is join environmental movements, okay, such as clean up drive, tree planting, like that. So, we need to participate for those activities for our nature to be safe. Next is advocate for environmental policies. So we need to follow rules and regulations of our environment. Okay, so we are done discussing all the literacies in the 21st century. So I hope you will keep that in mind, and also I hope that you learn something about this tutorial vlog.